Hello nieces, hello nephews, it's your Uncle Charles here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel where we do unbiased technical analysis. Now, as you all know, on Uncle Charles' channel, we do unbiased technical analysis and I identify trade setups for us to trade. And yesterday I talked about my bullish trade setup for us, okay? As long as SPY is above 421, Uncle Charles mentioned that I was bullish and I would look for the clearing of the next resistance level. Okay, my targets were 423 and 425 that I mentioned yesterday. Okay, as you can see here, we bounced off the 421 zone and we cleared the 423 level. Okay, I also had a level around 422.5-ish. All right, but I gave it a zone, so it cleared 422.5 and 423, which was the trade setup I gave you guys, and it bounced up and hit the 425 level. Now, I did not go further beyond from here, but it did clear 425 and I had a price target up above around 427-ish to 426.5-ish. Okay, this was covered on Discord. Now, I do want to mention, if you guys are interested in joining my Discord, but you're not really sure if you want to join because you're kind of skeptical, understandable. I got an announcement at the end of the video. Okay, if you're thinking about joining my Discord, there's an announcement at the end of the video. Definitely stay tuned for that and listen and check it out. Okay, if you're sure you're never gonna join my Discord, which is fine as well, then whatever happens at the end of the video, you probably won't be interested in. Okay, so definitely check out the end of the video. Now let's go back to the charts. Okay, so as I always say, we long breakouts of resistance, we short breakdowns of support. Okay, we never had any breakdowns of any support level, as you can see yesterday. So the trade setup that I was able to give you guys, I was I'm very grateful for. Okay, I don't want to get big headed. This was not a prediction or anything like that. It's just the algorithm of my strategy and it just played out well. That's all it was. Okay, so we'll go to the daily chart. What is the next setup, Uncle Charles? All right, because my 427 level got hit. That's this yellow line right here based on the previous low back over here. Now, around this level, 425 is the first support level, okay? Based on the previous high. That's that pink line right there. Okay, I have a couple pink lines. I'll change this line to blue, all right? So the 422.5 level is the blue line right there. And then the 425 level is the pink line. Short or look for puts if you see that level break down. Okay, that's the plan of Uncle's algorithm. We short breakdowns of support, and that would put 425. If we break 425, that will put 422.5 and 423 zone in play. And if that fails, 421 is back in play. Now, 421 is a very critical level based on my 50% retracement level from January 2022 high to June 2022 low. Okay, if 421 fails, I would feel a lot more comfortable swinging puts to the downside because that would be a hell of a false breakout, and false breakouts are very bearish setups. Okay, so if we lose 421, I feel more comfortable swinging puts if that level is lost. Okay, but if we lose 425 to 423, that around that zone, I would day trade it. Okay, I'm always gonna day trade regardless. I'm just saying when I would feel more comfortable swinging is if we lose the 421 level. However, that's the bearish scenario. Loss of my support levels. 425 is my support. 423, 421, 418.5 below that, and 417. If you lose 417, 415, and then maybe a gap filled down to 412.5-ish. Okay, guys, write those level downs, add it to your charts as lines, the way Uncle Charles does. Okay, if it breaks down, short it. If it breaks out, long. Okay, now speaking of longs, 427.2-ish is the next resistant level, guys. Try to play it unbiasedly. I know it's looking toppy. I know the RSI is very overbought, but the market is manipulated. Okay, so try not to use too much logic and focus more on the strategy, the trading strategy, the algorithm of our trading strategy. Okay, because if 427.2 is lost, my next target is 429.7. We can round it up to 430. Okay, so 429.5 to 430 zone. That's the next target. If that is clear, we could possibly go test the 200-day moving average, which is at 431.8-ish right now. It could change by Monday. So just keep an eye on the 200-day daily moving average. All right. And then the structure that I'm watching. All right. I got a purple line right here. Might be hard to see, but I'm going to change it to pink. All right. This connects all-time high to March 29th high. We have not got a third touch of it just yet. If we do get a third touch, the level right now is at 433.7-ish. Okay? Breakout of that level could possibly be a sign that a bottom is in, guys. That might not be popular to a lot of you guys. I'm just going by the technicals. Clearing that level could be a sign that a bottom is in. Either way, it will be very bullish. Okay, as you can see, breakout. Look at this orange line when we had this breakout. Breakouts are bullish, guys. All right, I see a lot of people shorting breakouts. It makes no sense to me based on my strategy. All right, breakouts are bullish. So if we can get that breakout above, let's round it up to 434. That would be bullish. However, even then, can't get too bullish just yet because I have the 61.8 retracement level at 435. Now we're talking about, levels that we can possibly short direct from. I would short direct from 435, to be honest with you. Is it a guarantee that trade will be profitable? It's not guaranteed. Nothing is 100%. And if you're looking for 100% in this market, good luck, because you're most likely going to be disappointed. But I would try that. Risk reward, that's worth the risk, in my opinion. Okay, so remember, 427.2 clears, 430, 431.8ish. That's the 200-day moving average. 433.7 and then 435 based on my 61.8 retracement level. I will be bullish because right now I'm playing at level to level and I'm short-term bullish, but overall I'm still bearish because we are still in a downtrend overall since the beginning of the year. However, if we can recapture that 61.8 retracement level at 435, I might be, I might turn bullish again. Okay, that's just my opinion. So remember, trade the levels, right? Know the setups and react unbiasedly. All right, above 427 bullish, below 425 could be bearish, short-term bearish, all the way down to 423 and 421. But below 421, I would definitely be bearish, and I would definitely try to play that false breakout. Okay, moving on to triple Q. Triple Q cleared another level, another critical level at 329.7. That level must hold, and if it holds, it keeps 335, and then another critical level at 338.93 in play. 338.93 is the 50% retracement level, okay? If 329.7 fails, I got the next support down at 325 and then 322.47. 322.47 is my 38.2 retracement level. If that level fails, I'll be very, very bearish on the triple Q, all right? Tesla, I got a 4-hour chart here. I had a trade on Tesla yesterday. Worked out very well. We catch some plays. But as of right now, Tesla closed around 901, which makes 890. I have support at 895, then a critical one at 887. As long as above 887, I'm going to be, short-term bullish. But if 887 fails, I'll be short-term bearish, targeting 878 then 858. All right, below 858, I would feel comfortable swinging puts. Okay, so far we only had one breakdown and a false, which ended up being a false breakout. Okay, false breakdown, which is very bullish, this setup right here with that false breakdown. However, if it breaks down again, the odds of it recapturing are a lot lower. So if 858 fails, I'd be bearish, targeting 842.5 as the first target and possibly lower. Okay, guys, so those are the setups that I have for my top 3 ETF and, well, my one stock that I love to trade. Okay, I'm gonna move on to the flow sentiment. This is filter for 500k premiums or above. Okay, guys, now seeing some big money puts, big size. There's 8.7 million, big size right here. 404 strike price, but the expiration day is not till October, so they got time right here. They entered around 426.96s. That's where they entered. The size is big. Maybe it's a hedge, but we don't really know for sure. Had another one right here, 7.7 million. They entered around 423.25. So they're down right now, but expiration day is also October 21st with a 404 strike price. So big money, it's still overall bearish on the SPY. Here's triple Q, 44% in the puts for yesterday and 56% in the calls. So interesting. Big money was bullish on the QQQ. Let's see if we get anything from Tesla. Yep, 92% in the calls for Tesla. So very, very bullish, right? I think that's what big money's feeling. Okay, guys, so that's what I have for you guys today. Now, here's the announcement. Today, it is my wife's birthday, and my wife is a nurse. You know, she loves people, all right? So in honor of her, I want to be giving, okay? So for the people that has been thinking about joining my Discord, right now, I have a coupon, all right? I have a coupon. It only has a limit of 20. So Uncle Charles is only accepting 20 people with this coupon, all right? So as you know, I charge $75 a month for my Discord, but with this coupon, you'll be able, for your first month, join my Discord for only $10, okay? Only $10 for your first month. Now keep in mind, every member is responsible for their own membership. That means it's on you to cancel, all right? Your first month will be $10. If you continue to go forward and do not cancel, you will be automatically charged, because it is a monthly subscription, and you'll be charged $75 going forward, okay? If you like what you see on Uncle Charter's Discord, because I'm going to do my best to impress you, and the goal is for you to make money with me and the other members, okay? If you like it and you think it's worth it, keep on going. Please stay with me. If you don't like it, cancel before you get charged that other $75, okay? Because I do charge, of that $75, I get charged tax and plus a $6 fee. So I do not get that $75, the whole thing, okay? So if you guys want a refund or anything like that, it's going to be a $15 charge, all right? Because I'm not trying to lose money. So keep that in mind. Make sure first month is $10. After that, you will be charged $75. So if you don't like it, make sure you cancel. I'm hoping you guys do. Now, before I end this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. I usually post the link to join my Discord in the comment. It's pinned on the top comment. You hit the link. It should take you to this. Now, it has a question, have a coupon, click to apply. Before you put in your information and pay the $75, make sure you apply the coupon. Enter coupon. And the coupon is I, that's a capital I, and then love, capital L, then lowercase OVE, and then uncle. All capital. All right? That is it. That's the coupon code. I love uncle. You have to say you love me, okay? You have to write it how I write it, just like that. Capital I, capital L, then OVE, then capital UNCO. You hit apply, and it should apply right there. Then you pay $10 and add your information. Make sure it says pay $10. If you do decide to join the Discord, this is what you can expect, all right? So we'll go inside my Discord, all right? So for example, so yesterday I talked about the 423 level, all right? And I wrote here, SPY hasn't officially cleared on the 15 minutes, but the 422.5 level did. Bullish warning to bears. Watch that level as it keeps a breakout of 423 and a test of 424.5 to 425 zone in play, okay? Giving the group the heads up. Then the next post, I let the group know. Got the close above 423. 424.5 to 425 is next. Watch out for the false breakout. Okay, so I let the group know we got our setup. That's what I do. I identify setups. The plan is the group knows the plan, but I identify the setup so when they know when to enter and when they know when to take profits and exit. Okay, here's another example. 425 cleared on the 15 minutes, and the melt up continues. All right. So that was the next setup that I identified for the group. All right. If you are bearish, I told her watch for a false breakout setup with 425 failing. So don't look for puts unless 425 fails. As long as it holds, 426.5 to 427 zone is next. All right. So that's what I do as far as trading SPY in my Discord. I identify the setup. I give the plan. I let you guys know when a level has been lost, so you guys know when to end the calls or when to enter puts. I also do, cover other stocks like Tesla. Okay, I wrote here the next resistance on Tesla is 878, 887, bullish above. All right, bulls need to hold 858 level and clear resistance level for me to be bullish. I also write more levels here covering Tesla for more levels and FANG stocks and Microsoft, stuff like that. Okay, long breakout resistance, short breakdowns of support. All right, so that's as far as my stocks and then trade ideas go. That's it right there, and I do that throughout the day in real time. Okay, another thing that I got for you guys is I got a room Cheddar credentials. I share my Cheddar Flow account with all my members. Okay, and if I press that room right there, it'll show my credentials for Cheddar Flow, which I'm not gonna do, but if you join, you can see it. Okay, market reports. I got a room for market reports here, and I post a link here from a 25+ year trader. Get some insights from him. Very helpful. I have a TA request room. Any stocks that you're looking at, you need some TA from Uncle Charlie's in real time. I got you. I'll give you the setups, and a few other things, QQQ, the other ETFs and stuff like that. And of course, the chat rooms. I got general chat where you can talk to the other members, some cool cat pictures. But we talk about, the other members talk about a lot of trade ideas and setups and the news. We got portfolio progress where people starting, the group is starting their own portfolio, small account challenges and stuff, and we keep each other in check. Got a swing room, bear room, bull room. You can talk about all the good stuff, that we talk about. Okay, so that's what my Discord has to offer. All right, that's what you can expect if you join. All right, thank you guys for watching. Peace.